In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit links in drawio for Atlassian Confluence in Jira, step by step, in a simple and practical way. This is extremely useful if you're working with diagrams inside Jira issues or Confluence pages, and you want your shapes to link to tickets, pages, or external resources correctly. If you work in agile teams, documentation, or system design, this is something you'll use all the time. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I post regular software tutorials like this that save you time and frustration. All right, let's get started. First, you need to open draw.io directly inside Jira or Confluence. Go to your Jira project or Confluence space and open an existing page or issue where draw.io is already added, or insert a new draw.io diagram. Once the draw.io editor loads, you'll see the canvas along with the shape tools and formatting options. This is where all link editing happens. Now the next step is to add or select a shape in your diagram. You can choose any shape, like a rectangle, circle, or flowchart element. If the shape already exists, just click on it to select it. If not, drag a new shape onto the canvas. Once the shape is selected, you can add a link to it. To do this, right-click on the shape or use the link option in the toolbar, then paste the URL you want. This link can point to a Jira issue, a Confluence page, or even an external website. After adding the link, you'll notice that draw.io automatically makes the shape clickable. Now here's an important part many people don't realize. You can easily edit and adjust the link by dragging or modifying the shape without breaking the link. Simply resize or move the shape on the canvas, and the link stays intact. This makes it very easy to reorganize your diagram while keeping all your connections working properly. Next, to get more control over how the link behaves and looks, click on the shape and then open the Style panel. You'll usually find this on the right side of the draw.io interface. Inside the Style options, you can customize how the shape appears when linked, adjust formatting, and fine-tune visual behavior. This is especially helpful if you want linked shapes to stand out visually for users viewing the diagram in Confluence or Jira. You can experiment with colors, borders, and other style settings to make linked elements obvious and easy to identify. Once you've made your changes, always remember to save the diagram. In Jira and Confluence, saving ensures that your links are preserved and accessible to everyone who has permission to view the page or issue. After saving, test the link by clicking on the shape in View mode to confirm it opens the correct destination. And that's it. You've successfully edited links in draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. This workflow is perfect for creating interactive diagrams, system maps, and documentation that actually connects your work together. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Atlassian, Jira, and Confluence tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.